Alright, my name is Kanji Coder, you're on video 995, and I fucking hate this. Source code is here if you want to follow along. Let's get going. The hunkering function section in hunkering unit test main. If we scroll down here, right beneath kind of misc unit test constants in this kind of unlabeled sector of variables, AKI right here has been added. Answer key index. Okay, scrolling down a little bit more, we have the ABCD anchors right here. They're all fucking wrong. I don't have time to explain how fucking wrong we were, but we are so fucking wrong. You can grab onto this diagram tag to get an explanation, but all this bullshit is fucking wrong. We're not going to use it. Throw it in the fucking trash, okay? Down here, top left, top right, bottom right anchors. We're going to do this in the next video to correct all the garbage bullshit mistakes we made up here. We're going to just make new variables, start over fresh with these anchor point variables we're going to need. Okay, scrolling down here, go a little bit further here. Corner indexes. Guess what? We used USO here. Now we're using 0 OK. Guess what? We don't actually need to offset these by any amount. All we're doing is we're taking the shared corner values and we're reusing them over and over multiple times so that we can have these unique variables that we can reference with these diagram tags to understand what the fuck we're doing, right? So we added 0 is okay, and then 0 is okay is now in here to kind of confirm that we don't have to add any extra offset in this section, in the corner indexes section, okay? Down here, hunk vector origins table. We stripped out the hunk vector origin x's and the hunk vector origin y's from our unit test answer key because we're going to need them to calculate some things that actually go into the answer key. In 16 data pixel indexes, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. These are hopefully now correct. These answers, right? We need to calculate all of these. Not all of these are solved yet, but these are the indexes, the data pixel indexes that go into our answer key. Here are where those data pixel indexes go in our answer key, right? And then down here, tables should agree. So the HOX, HOY value, we're just doing a check here and grabbing out HOX and HOY from the answer key, and then also grabbing it out of those new arrays we made and making sure that those values match, or else we're going to throw an error. And that's it. We're out of fucking time. You want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here, because we got no fucking time here. My name's Kanji Coder, I'm making a game engine.